Namaste! Are you sure India is what you think? Let's find out. Hi! Today we are continuing our Meghalaya and Arunachal Pradesh trip. Check previous episodes for more, and now let's go to Nohkalikai Falls, which are very near to Cherrapunji village that we stay. On the way we see beautiful landscapes like most of time if the fog is not there, and today luckily it's not there. We reached the place, parked the car. Let's see where is the waterfall. Near to the waterfall, people are selling something in small shops. What we can see: souvenirs, clothes, some local equipment, many things from wood looking like handmade. Here we get sign that Cherrapunji is one of the rainiest places on earth. Being here, I see it's raining a bit, almost every day, but not necessarily there is a heavy rain. Definitely I was expecting something different, hearing it's one of the wettest places on earth. I would say it's similar to my country weather, but of course I would have to stay here for a whole year to give review about it. There was a path going forward. All tourists were focused rather on that one viewpoint, and I always search for more peaceful places to enjoy the nature, so we walked to see what is there. People came behind us thinking something is there, but now they stopped going back. How much to go behind us, no? Strange things we are doing. Peace, nature sounds. Fog came a bit, but very nice to sit and just relax here. Do you remember Mawsmai Cave from the last episode? There was one more there. Almost nobody was visiting it. You think it's here? All tourists were coming back to their cars after visiting famous one. We found some small counter between trees, which was leading to smaller cave. Luckily, we met some family which also didn't know where to go exactly.
Okay, coming now? Are you coming?
Yes.
Any problem?
No, thank you. Nice that at least someone will check. Yeah, alive. And together we managed to finish walk through the cave. Alone it would be a little scary because it was quite small.
I'm bending. I do.
If you visit the place, remember to check that one also. Okay, we got hungry, so now some lunch. Rice, dal, sambar and papad. And then, with new energy, we went to see some other famous cave near Cherrapunji, which is Arwah Cave. View to the Arwah Cave is really amazing. You could come only to walk and sit here. We reached the cave. All was simple for us now after going through the second cave. This cave had same way in as way out, so you would be walking same way twice.
This is main road. We came inside, and there are more some mysterious caves inside should be unexplored, or maybe just someone saw it but not for people to explore.
At the entrance there was an inscription: urine 5 rupee, latrine 10 rupee. That was interesting for me, that they take different charge. First time I see something like that. Tomorrow some hard trekking for us, so we went to shop to buy something we can have with us in the bag if we get hungry.
Oh, Marco, so much loving. Look at him. Oh, look, I don't have anything.
I hope you will be there to continue the journey. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to not miss any other episode. Let me know in the comments if you like today's activities. And Incredible India again next week. Bye.